You can see people are earning each day and every hour while using the website. You can also see a list of latest completed jobs, along with the workers' usernames and total compensation. You can see there are many people from many different countries. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about website. Just by dealing with simple tasks, you can make a lot of money. Just by doing simple tasks, and the more you do, the more money you can make. You can complete hundreds of these tasks and earn money quickly. This website is a life changer that can change your life quickly, and also good for those looking to make some extra cash in their free time. It is fun. You can make money while doing simple tasks. So without any wasting time, let's get started. But before we dive into the details, I want a quick favor from you. If you haven't already, by subscribing, you will be joining a community of like-minded individuals who are interested in learning more about ways to make money online, and you will get access to exclusive contents and updates that I don't share anywhere else. But don't forget to hit subscribe button and hit notification bell. We're going to start now. But before we dive into the exciting world of making money from website, of making money from YouTube, it is super easy to create free account in just few steps. I will guide you to make the most, giving you the best chance to succeed and earn substantial amount of money. The interesting thing about the website is that it is completely free. Let's get started, as I will be taking you through step by step, so you can follow me and see the best part of it. Don't miss out. As first step, Google search picoworkers.com. It will redirect you to sproutgigs.com. Once you are there, scroll down to sign up, where you can create your account. Now choose to create account option, and get ready to fill your details. Enter your first and last names, as well as your email address and password. And make sure to choose strong password and easy to remember. Once you are done, hit the next button, and you are all set to use an online marketplace that connects employers and freelancers to all over the world to do simple and affordable tasks. You can earn money from this website, picoworkers.com. It provides many opportunities to make money online. When you go to the website, you will see people are earning each day and every hour. You can also see a list of the latest completed jobs, along with the workers' usernames and the total compensation. So you can see there are people from different countries, such as India, Philippines, Pakistan, Nigeria, and Bangladesh. In Picoworkers, people have come from all over the world. Check it out. You can see how much cash people are making on Picoworkers. Some folks are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Furthermore, you can withdraw your fund whenever you want. But let's be real. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Don't expect it to replace your day job or make you a millionaire overnight. However, it is a great way to make an extra and supplement your current income. Give it a try and see how much you can earn. To get started with earning money on Picoworkers, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process, so you can easily get started. After creating an account successfully, your new account will look like this. Here are the variety of jobs available for you to apply and start earning money. But earnings will vary depending on your works, and you can view your prospective earnings on the right-hand side. Just click on Microjobs and navigate to the Find Jobs on sproutgigs.com. Here you will find variety jobs available for you right now. This tasks will pay you for viewing videos and subscribing to the channels. This is something you can do whenever and wherever you want. And the process could not be easier. Simply click on any of the open positions and start earning money today. When you click on jobs, you will need to activate two-factors verification. Thereafter, provide some personal informations because we are new for this website. Then about yourself. Then complete the job thereafter. The website will pay you for your job. While it may not be common to find employment that involves solely watching YouTube videos and earning money on Picoworkers, and if you go down, you will see there are a lot of jobs to complete. This website is called Picoworkers. is a place where you can earn money by doing simple tasks. To start, all you have to do is to click a button or visit website through a link. Even if you will not make a lot of money, it is still worth it because the works are easy to finish. If you want to start business online, you can use the money you get from Pico Workers to invest in something that will grow in value over time. Pico Workers also offers other jobs and sign-ups from different websites. Thank you for watching. Pico Workers is so helpful. Remember, while the work may not be glamorous, it is an easy way to make an extra cash on the side. And who knows, a passion entrepreneurship and turn your Pico Workers earnings into a successful business. So why not give it a try and see how much you can earn? So try this method. They even give a trial. I can guarantee you can make an extra cash. If you have any question or suggestion for my next video, please comment in the comment section. Please feel free to share my videos on social media platforms. It will help a lot of individuals. Subscribe for more helpful contents. Thank you once again. Have a great day. See you in the next video.